Genesis recently had the premiere of its third generation of the brand's midsize executive sedan, the G80. It begins with the brand's emblem, which inspires the Crest Grille and quad lamps, the face of every new Genesis moving forward. On the side, the Parabolic Line, which begins at the front quad lamps and gradually runs to the rear through the top of the door. This line is counterbalanced by athletic power lines emphasizing the fenders that frame the 20-inch wheels. In addition, the chrome trim beginning from the front of the wheel arches stretches out along the bottom of the door, crosses the side sills and swells upward to the rear, making for visual motion. The rear view features a tapered look, highlighting the sloped rear deck lid and rear quad lamps which mirror the front lamps. Chrome decor on the top of the trunk stretches the full width, repeating the theme of the Genesis emblem. Also, the dual exhaust finishers also look like the Crest Grille design. Inside, the steering wheel is sleek with thin air vents that cross the passenger compartment, splitting into a panoramic area above and a control area below. The number of hard buttons and switches has been kept to a minimum, both for aesthetic purposes and ease of use. In the driver's field of view is a heads-up display, a 12.3-inch cluster behind the steering wheel, and a 14.5-inch infotainment system. The rear seats have something quite unique. Independent rear entertainment system for each rear seat, playing separate playback. All of the necessary driver information is above the beltline. The use of lightweight materials has been used. Aluminum is used for about 90% of the body, reducing the weight by 125 kilograms compared to the previous generation. This increases fuel efficiency and also performance. Under the hood are two new engines, a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder with 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. There's also a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 with 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. The G80 features improved door sealing, new engine compartment sound insulation, and resonant sound reduction wheels to ensure indoor quietness and class-leading low levels of noise, vibration, and harshness. In addition, the electronically controlled suspension with Road Preview enhances ride quality by reducing road impacts using information supplied by the front camera. Of course, there's automatic braking for front collisions, but added to the G80 is advanced braking for side and rear avoidance. Some might not know this, but Genesis has been quietly producing world-class cars with winning designs and top quality scores, including the J.D. Power Vehicle Dependability Study, ranking Genesis #1 in 2020 in its debut appearance. Also, Genesis, for the last 2 years, is ranked #1 in the initial quality study by J.D. Power. The all-new G80 enters the marketplace on March 30th in South Korea and in the second half of the year in other markets, starting with North America.